Welcome to Compare Your Business Costs. Why should you buy a commercial coffee machine? Depending on the size of your business, there are many different reasons why you should buy a commercial coffee machine. A single group head machine may be all you need for small coffee shops. A machine with multiple group heads might be more appropriate for large coffee businesses. A sound machine will provide a decent return on investment, consistency, and quality creamer and extraction. A downside to bean-to-cup coffee machines is their bulk. Cleaning them requires frequent wiping, but regular deep cleaning is needed to ensure optimum performance. Depending on your business's needs, target consumer, and budget, a bean-to-cup commercial coffee machine could be the best fit. We hope this video was helpful. If you want to be the office hero, visit Compare Your Business Costs today.